a pirate, but I long to be sailing by the stars across the seven seas, living with no earthly cares, my mates and me, the envy of a worldly men who are not free.
For wealthy men, or wrapped and bound in chains, our treasures not in gold, or in our piety. Our wealth is in an answer call, the longing of the sea. The stormy oceans carry us to lands we've never known, to mysteries and buried secrets from the tales of old. So hoist the sail and raise the flag, we do not stop for night. We ride the wild winds and waves until the morning light. In smugglers' caves and tavern halls, we live by no man's rules. Fly the colors of the living, free and proud and true. We set out on the ocean blue to escape tyranny. We keep our merry hearts alive so long we roam the sea. A man once walked along the shore and called he out to me, I see you are a fisherman, a lover of the sea. I know this world's a wretched place, but if you'll follow me, I'll take all of your burdens, and pirates we shall be. Yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho. Hope is now before us, and misery at last. We could not care the lesser for the men who say yaka. So let the howling winds blow in and take over the past. Release the wheel in all your sins, for you are free at last. Swap the deck, my clever lad, and listen close to me. Learn my ways, and soon one day a captain you shall be. Climb the raking mountain nest and sing.
Nor water, nor admire the stars. Now I have grown old and frail, and do not journey far. I only long to sail the seas once more to find my heart.
Well, come aboard and boys long, we make for unnaf shores. Ride the stormy seas with us, you'll find that soul of yourn. Leave your wealth behind you and your bitter scorn. Make your home with slaves and sinners, then you'll be reborn. Yo-ho, 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 yo-ho.
Three pirates on the ocean. Boo, 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 they are coming for you. I can see three pirates on the ocean. The first one lost his eye, the second lost his sense. The third one will show no emotion.
Of the ocean, yo ho ho, we are coming for you. There's no place to hide, you will die tonight. Yo ho ho, we are coming for you. We are pirates of the ocean. Yo ho ho, we are coming for you. There's no place to hide, you will die tonight. Yo ho ho with a bottle of rum. Drink and the devil, a gun for the rest. Yo ho ho with a bottle of rum. One was kissing the gunner's daughter. He had enough of salt and water. Gazing up at the great horned owl, and blimey, he began to howl. 15 men on a dead man's chest. Yo ho ho with a bottle of rum. Drink and the devil, a gun for the rest. Yo ho ho with a bottle of rum. Thunder for two of the men, and Nelson's volley was empty again. They cheered and played with some old sea tang, and both of the hearties danced and